Our 2-passenger rental cars come in gas or electric, perfect for any event, golf outing, or just getting the mail. Our 4-passenger rental vehicles also come in gas or electric. The rear seats fold down, revealing a convenient flatbed. Our electric flatbed utility vehicles can handle any job with a 1,200-pound bed capacity. Our light utility vehicles come in gas or electric and feature a 300-pound load capacity. Our heavy-duty utility vehicles offer an 800-pound load capacity with a manual dump bed for easy yard work. An optional beverage box can be added depending on your need. Our 6-passenger golf cars come in gas or electric and also feature a handy utility bed. Our 8-passenger gas-powered vehicles are perfect for any party or event. Need a golf car soon? Contact our rental department to book yours today.